Hey Marcus. Hey Marcus. What's wrong? You don't look very good. What's wrong? You don't look very good. I'm feeling a little nervous. I'm feeling a little nervous. Why are you nervous? Why are you nervous? Tonight, our parents are meeting. Tonight, our parents are meeting. It's normal to be nervous. It's normal to be nervous. You don't have to be nervous. You don't have to be nervous. What if they don't like each other? What if they don't like each other? Don't worry, that's not going to happen. Don't worry, that's not going to happen. How can you be so sure? How can you be so sure? I know my parents. I know my parents. They will make an effort. They will make an effort. I hope my parents do too. I hope my parents do too. With my mom, I'm not worried. With my mom, I'm not worried. My dad is more the problem. My dad is more the problem. He's still skeptical. He's still skeptical. Should we go inside? Should we go inside? Otherwise, we're going to be late. Otherwise, we're going to be late. Yeah, let's go in. Yeah, let's go in. Today, I don't want any trouble with Mr. Smith. Today, I don't want any trouble with Mr. Smith. Good morning, dear students. Good morning, dear students. First, I'll give you your test back. First, I'll give you your test back. I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you. Everyone passed. Everyone passed. Marcus, you have improved a lot. Marcus, you have improved a lot. Keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Lisa. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you, Lisa. I couldn't have done it without you. No problem, Marcus. No problem, Marcus. It's been my pleasure to tutor you. It's been my pleasure to tutor you. My parents will be happy. My parents will be happy. That's good. That's good. A few hours later. A few hours later. Hello, my dear. How was school? Hello, my dear. How was school? It was great. It was great. Very good. Marcus's parents will be here soon. Very good. Marcus's parents will be here soon. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. Don't worry. It will be a nice evening. Don't worry. It will be a nice evening. I hope so too. I hope so too. That must be Marcus and his parents. That must be Marcus and his parents. Hello, welcome to our home. Hello, welcome to our home. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Peters. Thank you very much for the invitation. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Peters. Thank you very much for the invitation. We are happy to finally meet you. We are happy to finally meet you. Marcus has told us so much about you. Marcus has told us so much about you. Let's go to the dining room. Let's go to the dining room. The food is already ready. The food is already ready. Sounds good. Sounds good. Wow, this looks so good. Wow, this looks so good. Did you cook everything yourself? Did you cook everything yourself? Yes, we cooked everything fresh. Yes, we cooked everything fresh. And what do you do for a living, if I may ask? And what do you do for a living, if I may ask? I work as an engineer at BMW. I work as an engineer at BMW. Not bad. Not bad. Thanks again for the tutoring, Lisa. Thanks again for the tutoring, Lisa. Without you, Marcus wouldn't have passed the test. Without you, Marcus wouldn't have passed the test. I was happy to do it. I was happy to do it. A few hours later. A few hours later. The food was really great. Thank you, Marie. The food was really great. Thank you, Marie. You're very welcome, Tina. That was a beautiful evening. You're very welcome, Tina. That was a beautiful evening. Next time you come to us, we will cook you something very special. Next time you come to us, we will cook you something very special. We'll definitely do that. We'll definitely do that. Great. See you soon then. Great. See you soon then. Marcus's parents are really nice. Marcus's parents are really nice. I still don't trust him. I still don't trust him. Where does Marcus's father work? A. Mercedes. B. BMW. C. Audi. Leave a comment. Where does Marcus's father work? A. Mercedes. B. BMW. C. Audi. Leave a comment.